Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 1. Cost as Basis. In this chapter, we will begin our discussion of basis of assets and examine the various types of property for which basis must be calculated. Let's begin with a definition of basis. As defined by the Internal Revenue Service, basis is the amount of a taxpayer's investment in property for tax purposes. The basis of property is used to calculate gain or loss on the sale of a home, as well as being necessary to calculate depreciation, amortization, depletion, or casualty losses. Over the next few lessons, we'll look at several types of property for which basis must be figured and discuss cost basis. In Chapter 2, we'll look at some things that add or subtract from a taxpayer's basis in property. And in Chapter 3, we'll examine some basis other than cost situations.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.